All right, folks, time for an unboxing. I just got this from my buddy Nathan Brendan Masters. Trying to do this one-handed. Come on. There we go. All right. Little note, reward for my support. Clearly he wants to make sure that doesn't get wet coming to rainy Portland. Looks like Nathan sent me an original piece of art. Looks like hand painted with watercolors. Oh yeah. Alright, that's pretty dope. So we have Epitaph, Bread and Salt, full color. Nice printing. Yeah, they did a real good job on that. And then next issue. Oh, dang. All right, well, I'm looking forward to reading that. And then, of course, Zombie Girl. I've read some of this already on Nathyn's, what is it, the Toon site. In fact, I think I might have read the whole thing. Yeah. Well, that's cool. Keep that nice. Put that in a bag. All right. Well, thanks very much, Nathan, for sending the comic books. Glad to help. I'm super happy with how it turned out, and I'm excited to read these. All right. Talk to you soon. Bye.